Krishna. Myself Rakesh Charan.
Myself Mandita
Are the anchors for today's event. A very warm welcome to respected director, Sharif sir, principal, Radha ma'am, headmaster, Prasad sir, headmistress Mani ma'am, respected teachers and all my dear friends. Every day is a new day full of opportunities. Let's step into the world of learning and discovery and set an example for others to show them what it means to participate in assembly. School, attention, stand.
Special Assembly on one of the greatest dramatists and poet of England, William Shakespeare.
Manita, do you know why is Shakespeare so famous?
Shakespeare is a mystery on his own, but still he remains vital because his plays present people and situations that we recognize today. His many works are about love, life, death, grief, revenge, jealousy, murder, magic, and mystery. He wrote the blockbuster plays of his day: Macbeth, Romeo and Juliet, Hamlet. It has been 400 years since he died, but people still celebrate his work all around the world. So we have only those of his plays and poems that were printed on quarto.
Quarto, what does it mean?
My friend Vamsi will tell you about quarto.
Quarto is a small, cheap pamphlet. 18 of Shakespeare plays had appeared in the quarto edition. By the year of his death, 1660, in 1623, the first plays of Shakespeare edition has collected and kept in the follows. The quarto and folios ensured that the Shakespeare plays had survived when they were no longer performed. Thank you.
Valuable information it is.
Generally, some of these Shakespeare plays are categorized into three categories: comedy, history, tragedy. Now, let us hear some plays of Shakespeare by Shanmukh and Lakshmi.
Good morning. Comedies. All's well that ends well, as you like it. Comedy of Errors, Measure of Measure, Merchant of Venice, Merry Wives and Winds or Winter's Tale, Two Gentlemen at Verona, Tempest, Taming of Shrew.
Tragedies. Antony and Cleopatra, Cymbeline, Hamlet, Othello, Romeo and Juliet, Julius Caesar, Timon of Athens, Titus and Andronicus.
Histories. Henry IV Part 1, Henry IV Part 2, Henry V, Henry VI Part 1, Henry VI Part 2, Henry VI Part 3, Richard II, Richard III, King John, Perkins. Thank you.
Of Macbeth.
Hyder.
It is adaptation of Hamlet. Let us now watch some of the best tragedies of Shakespeare, King Lear by 10th year students.
In the hall of King Lear Castle, Goneril, Regan, and Cordelia, Albany, and Edmund. King Lear stood in front of a table, and there is a map on it.
Your Majesty, my devoted people are not young enough to rule my kingdom anymore. I have separated my kingdom into three parts. I give the best part of my kingdom to the daughter who loves me the most. Goneril, your eldest, speak first.
Sir, I love you as much as I love my life, my health, my beauty, and my honor. I cannot put into words how much I love you. You are more than anything else to me in this world. I love you more than my better half and my children.
Oh, I give you all the land between these two lines on map to you, your husband Albany, and your children. How about you, my dearest Regan?
My lord, I love you as much as my sister, but she had not said enough. Nothing pleases me except my love for you. My only happiness comes from the love for you, my lord.
Great! You can get 1/3 of my kingdom. Shall I give you more richest part of my kingdom? Shall I give you more than I give your sister? Cordelia, speak, my dear princess. I can see nothing, my lord. Nothing will bring you nothing. I have raised you all, spending my whole life with love. Now your father is in need of relaxation of the rest of my life. Speak again. I'm waiting for your answer. I cannot put my feelings into words. You gave me a life and loved me. So of course, I love you. But I'm not the same as my sisters. When I marry, I'll have to give my husband half of my love. But never hesitate my love for you forever, my lord. I'm saying the truth, my lord. Truth? Right from now, I don't want to be your father anymore. How dare you to say that to me? I don't want to see your face anymore. Mr. Burgundy, would you like to marry Cordelia? No, never. Since you are disowned by King Leo and you will not bring any wealth along with you. So, I'm sorry. I cannot become your suitor. What is shock? How can you treat your favorite daughter in this way? It is a fact that a girl married would share love for her husband. How do you mistake your favorite daughter? Because I do not have a tongue like my sisters, but I'm glad with it. Glory, you have not pleased me. Go away. Don't you understand what I said? Go away from here. You may come with me, my dearest. I'll replace your loneliness and sadness. I understand your true feeling and heart, and I'm feeling lucky to have such a woman as my queen. I know what you're doing. Take care of our father. You don't have to demand our duty. You no more belong to this kingdom. You don't even deserve to stand in this place for a moment. Get away from this place. You're clever and hide your faults. In time, people will know the truth. For you too, I will stay with each of you for 1 month.
Sir, you will stay with me first, right?
Sure. Goneril's house. Goneril looking out the nights and shouts at Leo. Shouts at Leo.
Listen, sir, your nights are always falling. My house is a disaster. I won't accept that. I couldn't do with this.
You mean it?
Such a silly question. Be sensible. You're old. You should be wise. Why do you need to keep hundreds of nights?
Darkness and evil. I made a mistake that I trusted you. You will get severely punished soon.
It's up to you. I'm punished off. Get lost, you headache.
My lord, I pardon for my wife's rudeness, but I could only help you to stay with your second daughter.
So kind of you, Mr. Albany. Let's go. Edmund and Regan in their house.
Why is this old man coming here? Oh, sir, so happy to see you. Welcome to our house, Lord.
Thank you, my dear daughter. Of course, I am happy too. Your sister had been unkind to me. I was no more pleased to stay with her.
Well, I will ask her to forgive you. You're old now, and I think you should do what sister says. Sister knows better than me what you need and what not.
Please understand. I won't return to Gonel's house.
No, my lord, you have to go to sister's house.
No, my dear. I don't want to go to Gonel's house anymore.
You have to. As per the agreement, you're supposed to be with Goneril for a month. Don't you remember?
Well, I will not trouble you much. Let me be with the knights without disturbing you.
Hateful. I would never accept. You better send back all your followers and I'll ask one of my servants to look after you.
He's not a king anymore. Why should he feed all the knights?
Exactly. Why should he need followers?
No. Please don't make our floor dirty by weeping and wasting our time.
Do you think you'll make me weep? No, I will not. A king will never do that.
Why didn't you send him away? Have some good sense. He's your father.
If you're worried too much, then you take care. We don't have to care.
I'm worried. And why do you lift your head pressure? If you don't mind, I could suggest you the best place to live peacefully in your last days. It's your dearest daughter, Cordelia's house. I'm sure she would accept you happily.
I don't have face to stand before her, Albany. I may sin against her.
Never think Cordelia is same like her sisters. I'm sorry a lot. Without your permission, I've already sent a letter to Cordelia telling your situation. She must be glad to receive you. Come, let's go right now.
Cordelia's house is prepared and grand ready to receive King Lear. It's my lovable father who is coming, great king of our kingdom. Everything must be arranged. Go, do your work fast. Welcome, my lord. My house is blessed to have your presence. Thank you so much, Mr. Albany, for bringing my father safe. He's such a nice man. I was very much anxious about him since I heard the news that my sisters made him mad. I could serve you the best in my house to make you feel better, my lord. My two sisters have done a great harm to you. Never care those.
No, I don't deserve to be lived. Please forgive me. What I have done to my princess, who loves me the most, is true to me. I know you hate me.
No, my dear lord. How can I hate your majesty? You are the one and only ruler of this kingdom, and you will remain the same forever. We support you, my lord, to rule the kingdom again.
What a pretty young lady. Who are you? Are you an angel from heaven?
No, lord, I am your daughter, and this is your own kingdom. I'll always be your lovable favorite daughter. Be joyful. You're with your dearest daughter.
What I have give to you, my dear princess, for your kindness and goodness. I have lost everything.
You have given me life. You have given me everything. I'm fortunate to be born for your noble soul. What more do I need except your love for me?
So proud of you, my dear daughter. I'm happy too.
Wonderful performance by 10th year students. Did you like it?
As you said, this skit is a tragedy, but how it have a happy ending?
Yes, this is one darkest tragedy of Shakespeare. But upon discovering that his beloved daughter Cordelia has died, King Lear dies of grief. Generations of readers have found that King Lear of ending unbearably sad. So it is considered as a tragic comedy. Another interesting fact about Shakespeare plays. Do you know that clown is one of the most important role in Shakespeare plays. No one has the right to ask question, but clown has the right to ask question the king.
Now, let's throw some light on William Shakespeare's life. Life before stage by Jeevan.
Good morning. William Shakespeare was born in Stratford-upon-Avon in the country of Warwick, the third child and the first son. William was christened on 26 April 1564 in the Paris church. His father John Shakespeare was a prosperous businessman and mother Mary Aden was a great daughter of well-respected farmer. William got his education in good Stratford Grammar School. His father's business failed due to his neglect, so he could not attend the university. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all. Shakespeare last year. At the age of 18, he married Annie Hathaway and had 3 children. After birth of his twins in 1585, Shakespeare disappeared from public records until 1592, when his records began appearing on London stage. Then 7 years are known as Shakespeare last years. Thank you.
Career and achievements by D. Ashwin.
Good morning. Career and achievements. William Shakespeare began to participate in London theatre by joining Lord Chamberlain's Men, one of the city's most prominent theatre ensembles. He rose to the position of group leader and maintained it nearly for the rest of his acting career. The revival of classical dramas brought a change in attitude of noblemen in the times. The theatres, which were considered as low-class entertainment before 1598, began to be attended by them and the qualities of plays improved. Thank you.
Shakespeare by Bharat.
Good morning. In 1975, Shakespeare purchased new place, an outstanding residential property. His 2 daughters, Susan and Judith, were each married in 1607 and 1616 respectively. Shakespeare collected a property in Stratford and retired to his house in New Place. Shakespeare's career as a dramatist was over. The Tempest was his last play, written around 1611. On 23rd April 1616, Shakespeare died and buried at the same church where he was christened. His plays became world famous. His body lies just before the altar of the Stratford Church. Thank you.
Shakespeare as an actor by U. Vamsi.
Good morning. Today I am saying about Shakespeare the actor, as well as listing plays. Shakespeare performed on stage with a group of actors called the Lord Chamberlain's Company. When James I became king in 1603, the group was renamed the King Company. The group performed at 2 theatres near the bank of the River Thames in London, the Globe and Blackfriars. At Shakespeare time, women were not allowed to act on stage, so all the female parts had to be played by boys. Thank you.
The world is the stage of a theatre. All its men and women are compared to actors and actresses.
What are you talking about?
I am saying about one of the famous plays written by Shakespeare, The Seven Ages of Man. Wait, I'll explain you. The Seven Ages is an extraction taken from William Shakespeare's famous play, As You Like It. The poet compares this world to a stage of a theatre and all its men and women are actors and actresses. They take birth, play 7 different roles and die. The 7 different roles of a man's life are that of an infant, schoolboy, lover, soldier, justice, old pantaloon and second childishness. After playing these 7 roles and stages of his life, man departs from the world. It ends a strange and eventful history of his life. Now let us see the 7 ages of man in the form of dance by 10th year girls.
All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players. They have their exits and their entrances, and one man is time plays many parts. These acts make 7 ages.
We didn't sleep too late.
At first, the infant.
There was a fire in the yard.
Mewing and puking in the nurse's arms.
Were in light. They had
Then the whining schoolboy. With its special shining morning face. Creeping
I heard a voice
like a snake.
I'll try.
Unwillingly to school.
I'll try.
And then the lover, sighing like a furnace, with a bold ballad made to his mistress' eyebrow. Then a soldier,
We saw the dragon move down.
full of spangles,
My father burned into gold.
and bearded like a pond.
My mother saw it from
Jealous
far.
in honor, sudden and quick in quarrel,
She took her purse to the bed.
seeking the bubble reputation.
I saw a sign in the sky.
Even in the cannon's mouth.
Seven horns, seven horns.
Then the justice,
I heard a voice in my mind.
in fear round the belly, the good chapel lined. With eyes severe and beard of formal cut, full of wise saws and modern instances. And so he plays his part. The 6th age, Shakespeare. clean and slippered petal, with spectacles on nose and pouch on side. His youthful horns well saved, a world too wide for his sharp shank, and his big lovely voice turning again toward Charlie's treble pipes and whistles in his sound. Lost in a fall that ends the strange, irritable history, its second childishness, and mere oblivion. Sans teeth, sans eyes, sans taste, sans everything.
Did you understand the 7 ages of man?
Hope you liked our assembly. Vote of thanks by Shalini.
A very warm and graceful morning to our honorable dignitaries. It's my privilege to propose vote of thanks speech and acknowledge the contribution who worked really hard to make this assembly happen. I am Shalini on behalf of 10th A students. I would like to extend my hearty vote of thanks to the honorable dignitaries who spared their times from busiest schedule to grace the occasion. A special thanks to our Honorable Director Sarif Sir, Principal Radha Ma'am, who supports us to participate in all the cultural activities and make us a skillful person. I would like to thank our Headmaster, Prasad Sir, with his wit and humor, which makes our mistakes correct and perform in a better manner. And I would thank all the teachers who have given their valuable periods to practice our special assembly. And thank you all for being quiet and listening our special assembly. A special thanks to our class teacher, Kavita Rani ma'am, who supports us in all the situations and guided us to perform this special assembly. Thank you.
No, I request our honorable director sir and principal ma'am to speak a few words on our assembly.